Hey there, health enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a topic that affects not just your fitness but your overall well-being: testosterone. We'll explore natural ways to boost your testosterone levels, its impact on your life, and the foods that can make a difference. Let's get started. First things first, why does testosterone matter? Well, it's not just about muscles. Testosterone plays a vital role in energy levels, mood, libido, and more. So, let's talk about how to keep those levels in check. Exercise is your best friend. High-intensity workouts, resistance training, and compound movements like squats and deadlifts can naturally amp up your testosterone levels. Next up, sleep. Aim for 7-9 hours of quality sleep each night. Sleep deprivation can significantly lower testosterone levels, so make those ZZs a priority. Stress and cortisol are testosterone's archenemies. Incorporate stress-reducing practices like meditation, deep breathing, and yoga to keep cortisol in check. Hello, sunshine. Exposure to natural sunlight helps your body produce vitamin D, a nutrient linked to healthy testosterone levels. So, step outside and soak it in. Now, let's talk about the foods that can give your testosterone a boost. Zinc-rich foods like oysters, lean meats, nuts, and seeds are excellent choices. Don't fear fat. Healthy fats from avocados, olive oil, and fatty fish are essential for hormone production, including testosterone. Protein isn't just for muscle, it's crucial for hormone production too. Load up on lean protein sources like chicken, eggs, and legumes. So, how does higher testosterone impact your life? Well, increased energy, improved mood, enhanced confidence, and a healthy libido are just a few benefits you can expect. Remember, balancing your testosterone levels naturally isn't just about hitting the gym. Prioritize sleep, manage stress, and choose nutrient-rich foods. By making these lifestyle changes, you're setting yourself up for a healthier and happier you. Thanks for tuning in, folks. If you find these tips helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more health insights, and share with friends who could use a testosterone boost. Until next time, stay healthy and keep those levels up.